Hello folks, in previous lecture we have installed Java. Now it's time to install Eclipse. For the people who doesn't know about Eclipse, Eclipse is one of the widely used IDE tool for the Java developers. So they will write their code, compile it and even deploy by using the Eclipse. There are multiple plugins. But in our case, I just want to show how the developer is going to work with Eclipse and how we can use Maven. That is the reason we are using Eclipse. So we need to download Eclipse for our system. So go to the download button. And at the time of recording this video, we have 2020-12 version of Eclipse IDE is available. Again, click on download button, which will take us to next page. Yep. From here, we can download the Eclipse executable files. Let's download it. It takes a while to get it download. We'll wait until it get completes. Alright, our Eclipse download has been successfully completed. Now let me open where it has been downloaded. And to install Eclipse, just double click on this one. Of course, we have already installed Java, so the installation procedure should be smooth. So this is the first wizard while installing Eclipse. We can choose for which application we are going to install Eclipse. In our case, we are using it for Java developers. So let's click on the first option itself. In the first wizard, it looks for the Java. So we have already installed Java. It is picking up the Java installation path. Nothing to change over here. And also it is installing the Eclipse under users directory, that is Veloxy. And this is the path. Now let's proceed with the installation. Installation has been completed successfully. Now let's launch it. Now it is looking for the workspace where it can store the projects which we create on Eclipse IDE. This is the default location, but I don't want to create under default location. Let me create the new folder. So I'm creating a new folder and I will name it as a projects and choose this folder. Alright, from now onwards, all the projects which we create on Eclipse will be stored over here. And let's launch it. This is the default welcome page. Either we can close it or minimize it. So let me minimize it. And yep, this is where we can minimize. And we can create a new Java project by choosing this option or else file, new, and we can create the projects. Anyway, we are going to see how we can create new projects in our next lecture. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.